Michael Cardamone here once again with Alex Nemet, the owner of Northeast Factory Direct. Alex, 20 years you've been in this business.
It's crazy. It feels like just yesterday we started this business out of my garage with a dining room set, a cell phone, and a pickup truck. And I was just thinking back to when I would show people some furniture. They were elated with the quality and the price, and then I would load it in my truck and drive it to their home and set it up, and they were so happy. I was like, I'm really onto something here. And then we moved into storage units and then an auto body shop, and now we're in these 3 big warehouses, which are just bigger garages.
I mean, it truly is an amazing success story. It really is. So again, remind people, how do you do it? How do you have this much great furniture and save people of Northeast Ohio thousands of dollars?
So it's simple. Back to when our humble beginnings, we just keep our overhead low. We don't have a fancy place. Our rent is 1/10 of what it would be in a high rent retail area. And we just pass the savings on to the customers, and then we just get a ton of referrals and repeat business.
All right, well, let's talk about this great furniture that a lot of people watching have in their homes, including myself.
Yeah, so we've got all the fancy names. We have Bernhardt, Klausner, Amish furniture, Ashley, anything you'd find at the fancy places we have for just less.
All right, I'm going to steal your line. Your kitchen cabinets, they're a home run. Let's talk about that and the countertops.
Oh man, it's just another thing that's just marked up through the roof. All of our cabinets are solid wood. They have all the premium features at a fraction of the cost. You can get a 10 by 10 kitchen from us starting at $18.99. That would cost you $6,000 or $7,000 at one of the fancy places.
And plus, your selection of hot tubs, amazing. East side, west side, south side, or go to northeastfactorydirect.com.